Hi everyone, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how to make a black background. I want to make sure it's a true black background. So I've got two images here, completely different, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing we can see right here is that this is actually a textured background. So it's not true black background. So what I want to do is obviously make it black. So the first thing I want to do is I want to come here, adjustment levels, and right here we have eyedropper. We've got black, 50% gray, and white. So with black selected, I'm going to come here and select the brightest point of the area I want to darken, in this case the background. So I'm just going to click, and there you go. We've got black background. So now the problem is it affected the entire image. So all I have to do is, with the layer mask selected, select the brush. I want to make sure it's D for default, and X flip colors around, and I'm going to be painting in white. So in white I can just bring back all detail of the model, like so. And obviously if I overdo it, I can just flip the color around. So if I go over the background, as you can see right here, I can just flip the color around and just bring back the background in black and just flip the colors and just carry on brushing. So I'm just going to brush this away like so, and it's bringing all the nice detail right here. When you're doing this, if you see any weirdness on the background, is probably you didn't select the right area, or probably you didn't sample the pixels as you wanted. So if you have to, you can come here to adjustment layer, go to levels and select black eyedropper and click again. Just make sure. In this case it looks cool. So let's go to a different image. So we've got this one here, it's way brighter, so obviously it's the same thing. So levels adjustment layer, come here and click on it, and look at that, brilliant. So just like before, select the layer mask, brush in to bring some detail from here, from the flower, like so. Look at that. Now I just want this area right here, and I'm going to flip the colors around, just there you go. So obviously we need to expand this background. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a new blank layer, and with black selected I'm just going to paint it. And normally I would clone, because obviously when you paint it's too opaque the color, so it doesn't have that noise that any camera, even at lowest high ISO, always applies a bit of noise. It's very minimal, but you can see it when you zoom in. In this case, it will be too opaque and too smooth. And I can see straight away, I don't know if you can see through the recording, it's not 100% black, the background we did first time. So I'm just going to get that fixed in a second. So to do that, I'm just going to, just like before, another levels adjustment layer, select the eyedropper, and there you go. It's very minimal, but it's there. And I'll just select the brush and just bring this here again. There you go. Super easy to do, super fast, and works really well. Actually, I'm just going to get this image here. I'm going to create a merge version. I'm going to take it to camera raw filter, and I'm going just to, holding the Alt, I'm going to the blacks slider, and as you can see, it's nearly there. I might miss a couple of spots when painting, so I just bring in like so, and now I know I have it through black. I'll just add some clarity, bring down the highlights a touch, add a bit of contrast, and there you go. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, family, and even with those you don't know. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.